Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is digital presentation. So, first of all, click on Start button. Then go to All Programs, choose MS Office and click on Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm having Office 7, so I'm making the presentation in Office 7. So whatever the office you are having, like 10, 13, 16, you can make in that only. Fine. So first of all, this is our title bar where the title is given. The right side we are having minimize, maximize and close button. And this is our menu bar where the tabs are given. These are the basic tabs that is in Office 7, that are Home, Insert, Design, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View. Okay, and this is known as slide pane. What it known? Slide pane. जहां पर आप जो भी अपनी स्लाइड्स मेक करेंगे, that will show in the slide pane only. Okay, so first of all click on home tab. Now you can see here that we are having new slide option. Now click on home tab. By default we are having this slide. This is known as a title slide. Fine. You can choose your slide layout from here. Layout option. We are having 9 different slides here, like title slide. This is title and content slide, section header slide, to content. Means if you want to take any two different parts of a particular thing, then you have to choose two contents. Comparison means you want to differentiate between two things, then you have to choose this slide, that is comparison. And title only, if you want to give only title to your slide, then you have to choose title only. This is a blank slide. If you want to insert any picture over here or text, then you have to choose blank. And this is our content with caption, and this is our picture with caption. So these are the 9 slides that we have to choose to make our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I'm starting from here. First of all, I'm taking this slide. So you can choose any picture from here, insert, like I want to make it as Corona virus. Right? So I want to write something about it, like Corona everyone. Right? Any text you can enter here. Now we have to make the setting again from the home tab. Go to the home tab, choose your setting here. This is our font group. As you know in the earlier classes also, that font group where we are having our font size, font style, font color and different layouts like bold, italic and underline. So you can choose all the things from here only, right? First of all, you can choose your font style. Suppose I'm choosing as this. Group में you are having this drop down menu where we are having the bullets and the numbers. Bullets means if you want to give the heading and choose any style, then you can choose from here. Okay? And number means if we want to give the order in proper serial order, then you have to choose this 1, 2, 3, ABC and so on. Fine. This is our alignments. Alignments means left alignment, right alignment. We are having 4 types of alignments. left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify alignment. Left by default, our alignment always left alignment. Matlab, when we write something here, then it always write from the left side. As you can see here, when I'm writing something, then it will start from left side now and go to the right side. This is known as a left alignment. After that, we are having right alignment. Means if I want to set my whole text as the right side position, then I have to choose right alignment. So the text appears in the right side only. After that, this is our center alignment. Center align, as the name suggests, it will give your whole text in the center position. And what is the meaning of justification? Justification means when we set our whole text in the both side are in the same position, like in the left hand side and in the right hand side. So that is known as a justification. And the shortcut key for the justification is Control plus J. Okay. So this is our paragraph group. And this is the 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. This is basically if you want to set your page in the column wise, like as you seen in your newspapers, वहां पर हमारे पास क्या होता है, वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉलम्स ना, हमारा जो टेक्स्ट गिवन होता है दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द कॉलम्स ओनली, स्मॉल कॉलम्स. So that option you can choose from here. Fine. Next we are having this drawing group. Here we are having some shapes, and if you want to give particular shape of particular color, then you have to choose this option, shape fill option, and find, replace, select, editing options. These are the basic options that we have to choose from here. Fine. This is the new slide button in the slide bar. That is basically used when you when you insert a new slide in a particular slide pane. Suppose I'm selecting from here and I want to choose this slide. Okay, then you can see here in the that your slide pane, you can see that now I'm having 2 slides. Fine. And if you want to change your position, change the position of your slide, that is also possible here. So, suppose I'm writing something here. Hello. Okay. So I want to choose welcome. Suppose this is my welcome slide and I want to take it position in the first position. So what you have to do, this is very simple. You just have to shuffle both the things, but it will appear only that if you when you will apply all the designs and animations on it. Fine. So, and if you want to delete, then you can easily just have to go to that particular slide and then choose the delete button. Okay. So this is a very simple thing, and now we have to add the another slide here. This is our, suppose it's our welcome. Now I want to add some pictures. So here we are having picture option, picture and clip art option. In picture option, you can choose picture from your disk, yani ki whatever store in your computer na, you can choose from there. And clip art, and if you are having 10, 13 or 16 office, then you are having here as online option. Online option is there. So you can choose the picture from directly from the online, yani ki from Google Chrome or Bing. Fine. So when you click on clip art, on the right hand side, this is clip art pane. Suppose I want to choose any game or any flower from here. Click on it and you can insert your picture here. Fine. Next is shapes. Shapes is basically used to make your slides more attractive. Fine. Suppose I want to make a slogan to particular picture. So I have to make like this. And if you want to enter some text over here, then that will possible by this option. That is, on that option is available on the home tab drawing group. This small icon you can see here where the A is written, you just have to click on that. Then you will click on it and just drag and drop this option, and you can now see that something you can write that is very easy to write here. Fine. So the shapes basically make our slides more attractive. Fine. The next option is smart art. Smart art, suppose you want to put the different types of a particular thing, then you can choose this option and write your text over here. Again, it will show your slides more attractive. Okay, this is the text box that I already show you. Word art, you know earlier classes that if we want to make our text attractive, then we just have to choose the word art option. Okay, then slide number, movie, sound, if you want to enter some sounds over there or any kind of the position, then you have to choose from here. Symbols, these are the symbols, mathematical symbols, then we can easily choose from here. Okay, so this is all about the home menu and the insert. Both are the tabs that we are having here, that both tabs are very important to make any kind of the slides. Today I'm only defining these two tabs. In the next session, I will explain you about the design and the animation tab. Thank you.